The delegation led by the Most Reverend Dr. Stephen Kaziimba arrived in Magere, Wakiso district, to a warm welcome from Babi Kyagulanyi, the wife to Robert Kyagulanyi. The visit was marked by prayer, reflection and messages of national unity.
Abantu bano bonna abali wano mu nzikiriza ez'enjawulo twegatta nammwe okusaba nammwe okuyimirira nammwe mutegeere nti newankubadde waliwo ebiro naye Katonda ye waali.
Speaking during the visit, Archbishop Kaziimba stressed that the delegation's mission was purely humanitarian and spiritual, emphasizing that political differences should never divide Ugandans.
We have come here as leaders of Inter-Religious Council of Uganda, which is very, very important to ensure that we have the Uganda you want. This is a God-fearing country, a educated country, a healthy country, harmonious country, prosperous country, peaceful country. This is the Uganda we want. And the reason why we are here is because we've gone through elections, and our work, like the Bible says, rejoice with those who are rejoicing, but also you should mourn with those who are mourning, and comfort those who need comfort, and also bring those who are tired, and also lift those.
Babi Kyagulanyi shared with the leaders the challenges she has faced at home following the recent elections.
Simanyi kite baagala kubanga bankuumidde muno nze n'abantu bange ennaku 6 mu nsonyiwe tetubawadde kakunywa na kakulya kuba naffe tetulina. Naye wali kiro Mwami Kyagulanyi n'amanya nti it's not a usual thing, era kawuka kaali kakulumyeko okalaba okakola ki. So he had to escape. Naye twakiriziganya nze nsigale kuba nina abantu bange ab'okubeerawo nabo. Ate baba balina kye baagala nga basobola okinnyonnyola mba nsobola okukibawa. Baba ye gwe baagala sisobola mubawa naye nga in case there is anything to answer nga nsobola okiddamu, I had to stay so I could answer.
She expressed appreciation for the prayers, support and encouragement offered by the religious delegation.
Abasajja abo baatulumba nga 15. Nga 13 baleeta drone. Balina drone zaabwe zitambulira mu bbanga wano. Balina n'ennyonyi ya poliisi eyitaayitamu. Naye nga 15 baatuggalira. Era bw'okkirira ku geeti yaffe ya compound wali. Tulina compound 2. Naye tulina geeti emu etwawula mu compound eri endala. Bajja ne bateekawo ebijjegere. Sheriff bikyaliko? Ne bakutule kufulu y'akageeti ke tuyingirirako ewa neighbor.
The Inter-Religious Council of Uganda reaffirmed its commitment to continue engaging leaders and citizens across the country, promoting dialogue, peace and national cohesion in the post-election period.
It's our responsibility as religious here to ensure that there is always pastoral work done to everyone. And now we are here because of the pastoral work, and we are visiting Honorable Kyagulanyi's home and his family to pray with them, and we have been received by his wife. So this is actually our message. Let us ensure that despite our different ideologies, despite our different political parties, our different tribes, we remain as Ugandans. And we should always look for things that can bring us together and bring unity, stability and peace amongst ourselves.